Hello everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and controversial phenomena in the crypto world, meme coins. Whether you love them or hate them, you cannot deny their impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. Imagine taking an internet joke, adding some blockchain technology, and turning it into digital money. That's essentially what a meme coin is. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which were created with serious technical and financial purposes, meme coins often start as jokes or social media experiments. First and most famous meme coin is Dogecoin, created in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin. It featured the famous Shiba Inu doggy meme and was meant to be a light-hearted take on cryptocurrency. But something unexpected happened. What makes memecoin unique isn't their technology, it's their communities. These coins are driven by social media hype, celebrity endorsements, community inside jokes, viral marketing. Think of it like this. If regular cryptocurrencies are like traditional banks, meme coins are like fan clubs with their own currency. But here's where things get serious. Meme coins are extremely volatile. Prices can skyrocket 1000% in days. They can also crash just as fast. Many have no fundamental value. Some are outright scams. Remember, just because something's popular doesn't make it a good investment. Many people have lost money chasing meme coin dreams. Despite their origins, some meme coins have found legitimate use cases. Tipping content creators, community governance, charitable donations, digital merchandise. Dogecoin, for example, has been used to fund NASCAR sponsorships, Olympic athletes, clean water projects, animal shelters. So where is this all heading? Meme coins represent something bigger than just jokes. They show how internet culture and finance are merging. They are experiments in social currency, digital communities, viral marketing, financial democracy. Love them or hate them, meme coins have changed how we think about cryptocurrency. They have shown that value isn't just about technology or utility, it's about community, culture, and yes, sometimes even jokes. Remember to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This isn't financial advice, it's just your guide to understand this fascinating corner of the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Drop your thoughts about meme coins in the comments below. Thank you.